Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Chemistry Classes 99. I am Deepika. Our today's topic is carotenoids. There are lots of health benefits of carotenoids to humans as well as plants and other animals also. So before discussing the benefits of carotenoids, we have to know what actually are the carotenoids and which vegetable or which fruit contain carotenoids. So let's discuss the content of this video. This video include meaning of carotenoids, examples of carotenoids, carotenoids found in, classification of carotenoids, function of carotenoids in plants, and health benefits of carotenoids. Let's start with the meaning of carotenoids. Carotenoids are yellow, orange, or red fat soluble pigments, including keratin, which give color to plant parts such as ripe tomatoes and almond leaves. In other words, we can also say that carotenoids are red, orange, or yellow organic pigments which are widely distributed in plants and animals. Carotenoids, also known as tetraterpenoids. Let's discuss about the example of carotenoids. Carotenoids give the characteristics color to plants and animals. There are lots of examples of carotenoids that are present in nature. Some of the example of carotenoids are lobster, salmon fish, corn, pumpkins, and carrots, etc. Where does carotenoids found? So carotenoids are found in chloroplast and chromoplast of plants. Photosynthetic organisms including some bacteria and some fungus also contain carotenoids. The only animals known to produce carotenoids are aphids and spider mites, which acquired the ability and gene from the fungus. Flamingos also contain carotenoids. Now we will discuss about the classification of carotenoids. There are over 600 carotenoids known in nature. Carotenoids are mainly classified into two categories. One is xanthophyll, second is keratin. And xanthophyll and keratin are further classified into other subtypes. Function of carotenoids in plants. Carotenoids perform a great function in plants. Carotenoids perform mainly two main functions in plant and algae. One is carotenoids absorbs light energy for use in photosynthesis, and second one is they protect chlorophyll from photo damage. So these functions are very important to plants because carotenoids absorb light energy for use in photosynthesis and also protect chlorophyll from photo damage. Now we are going to discuss about the benefits of carotenoids. Carotenoids are beneficially antioxidants that can protect you from disease and enhance your immune system. Second benefit of carotenoids is provitamin A carotenoid can be converted into vitamin A. And vitamin A is essential for growth, immune system function and eye health. So indirectly we can say that provitamin A carotenoids are very important to humans. Third benefit of carotenoids is they have strong cancer fighting properties. These are the benefits of carotenoids. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you so much.